Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning binomial theorem, 5 marks fixed question dear students. So how to prove this one? Let's see. Here they are asked like this. State and prove binomial theorem. Sometimes in board exam, they will give what statement also. But without statement we are doing here. It's better we can do on what? Without statement. So we have to practice statement also. If they give like this, no, we have to write our own only statement, dear students. So better you think they are not giving statement only. So that's why I will write the statement. How to prove? I will say you this. So now see, statement we can write. Statement is given like this, which will come in board exam. This question is very important, dear students. Statements here: a plus b raised to n that is n c0 a raised to n minus 0 I will not write, and b raised to 0 also I will not write. B raised to 0 is 1 only, dear students. So n c1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1. B raised to 1 means b only. So plus n c2 a raised to n minus 2 b square. So on you can continue up to where? So what number is coming? No, same number will come here, dear students. Here also. If you are putting 1 here, b raised to 1. You see here 2. 2 you are putting 2 only as came, n minus 2 and b square it has came. So similarly n cn is there, you think. N cn a raised to n minus n it will become. A raised to n minus n is what? A raised to 0. A raised to 0 is what? 1, dear students. So that's why I will not write that also. N minus n is 0, dear students, because here in place of 2 what it is? N, no? So n minus n is 0. A raised to 0 is 1. So b raised to how much? N we can write. This is the statement, dear students. So now how to prove this one? We have to think. Very important question and very beautiful also. So proof. Let's start. Proof. So proof you see here. First we have to give the name for this statement, dear students. The proof is, first how we will prove this one? The proof is obtained. The proof is obtained by principle of mathematical induction. In short we will call this as what? PMI also. Principle of mathematical induction. Mathematical induction, dear students. Induction. So that is nothing but PMI. So PMI before in it was there, this chapter. Now it has deleted. Now present in 2025 what you are going to write. So this is a principal mathematical induction is like dominoes effect, dear students. Domino effect. Domino effect means what? In smaller when you were small, that time we used to play like this. So see here, ये गिरा तो ये गिरता है ऐसा करते थे. इसको ढकलने के बाद ये सब गिरता है. ಇದನ್ನ ಧಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೊದಲು ಈಗ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n = 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ये सब गिरता है. First you have to check whether this is falling or not. Yes. इसको धक्कने के बाद if you push this, all will fall down. Correct? You used to play in the smaller, and even you will see in videos also. Fine. So now n = 1 we have to check. So if it is falling means next one will fall. That is sure. So now similarly, how many we have to check? This is a proof. PMI is that only we have to check like this. For all natural number it is true or not. We have to check. n = 1. First if this is falling or not we have to check. ಇದು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ n = k ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is 3 here. You will count up. I can't draw many number of infinite number of boxes. I can't draw that rectangle boxes. Got it? So you have to think n = k. We will think that this has fall down. ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. k plus 1 n is equal to what? Next is what? k plus 1, no? K, this is k means, this is 3 means next is 4, no? So k means k plus 1 will come. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಜ್ಯೂಮ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾ ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸುನು. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೀಳತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ತಾನೇ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? So like that, this proof is there. PMI. This effect is only called as domino effect. Don't think it is Domino's pizza. That is different. This is different. Why they had kept this name, I don't know. Domino effect will say this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? n is equal to 1 ಬಿದ್ದದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇ ಅಜ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಾಗೇನೆ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಬಿದ್ರೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಜನರಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ erase this. This is not required. I will pause the video. Let's continue the proof, dear students. So first we will give the name for this. P of n statement ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಣ. P of n a plus b raised to n is equal to nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 into b nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square, so on up to where dot dot ncn b raised to n. So this is what we have given the name for this, dear students, P of n. So now according to stepwise, actually steps are not there, but stepwise only I will prove. In exam also you prove like this, you will get 5 marks, dear students. How to solve this one, you observe. So step 1, what we have to think? We have to think on whether n is equal to 1 is falling or not. ನಾವು ಏನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 1 ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So first we will see n is equal to 1 is falling or not. So n is equal to 1 if you put in this, what will happen, you see. So this is what LHS, you see. LHS is how much? LHS statement a plus b raised to n is there, dear students. A plus b raised to n. N value is how much? 1. So a plus b raised to 1 is a plus b, dear students. So now let's come for RHS. RHS, you see. RHS, what you can write? RHS will take, see RHS is so big here. So how to take RHS, I will say you. nc0 a raised to n, nc1 a raised to n minus 1 into b, dear students, into b. Correct? So now many of the students will ask, sir, why you have stopped here only? Sir, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So simple ಇದೆ. So why we are not taking this one? आगे इसका मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं किए. ಇದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ NCR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ n ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ r ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ n minus r ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So this is what n minus r. Clear? So here one condition was there. n must be greater than or equal to r होना चाहिए था. n ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ nc2 n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು? 1 c2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ n का वैल्यू है ना स्मॉलर होता है r से भी. This condition fails here. So that's why this is not taken. Clear? ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ r ನ ಬೆಲೆ 2 ಇದೆ, n ನ ಬೆಲೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. n का वैल्यू छोटा होता है r से भी, इसलिए इसको नहीं लिए. So up to here we have stopped. Clear? So I will erase this one now. Now try to understand how to solve. Here we put here n is equal to 1. 1c0 a raised to 1. N value I am putting here in this. N is equal to 1 I am putting. 1c1 a raised to 1 minus 1 into b. 1c0 is nothing but 1, dear students, value. If you put in NCR formula, no, 1C0 is what? 1. A raised to 1 is A. 1C1 is also 1. A raised to 0 is 1. This is 1 minus 1 is 0. A raised to 0 is 1, dear students. Into B is there, B I will write as is. 1 into A I can write. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into B plus B. See your LHS and RHS, both are same or not? LHS I got A plus B, RHS also A plus B. So then we can write it this as what? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. P of 1 is true for n is equal to 1, dear students. Or P of n is also, you can say otherwise. P of n, this is true for what? N is equal to 1, dear students. I hope it is clear. Now next step we will go. So now see step 2. Step 2 is interesting. I will write here, dear students, because light is reflecting on there. So you continue with here only, but I will write here. I am sorry for that. So now see here. Step 2, how to write. Now step 2, what we have to assume? N is equal to K, no? So N is equal to K, you put. N is equal to K. So now this will become what now? P of K. Statement you see. Very clear and very simple theorem it is. P of K, N value you have to put. K. How much N value is K? K you have to put in statement. So A plus B raised to N value is how much? K. K is equal to KC0 A raised to K because N value is K. Sir, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. So N ಬೆಲೆ K ಇದೆ, K ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So next is what? NC1. NC1 means that is KC1 A raised to K minus 1 into B. Clear? A raised to K minus 1 into B. Clear? So now see plus KC2 A raised to K minus 2 B square, so on up to N value I am putting K, don't get confused. So on up to K CK, N value is K, CK, N value I am putting K, B raised to K, dear students. So we have assumed this as what? This is true for. We have assumed it. Otherwise you can write it as also like this. Let us assume P of N is true for N is equal to K. We have assumed it. Clear? This is K. Don't get confused. A plus B raised to K this is. So I will write here. Fine. So I hope this is clear. So then we have assumed it as. Let us assume P of N is true for N is equal to K. We have assumed. ಇದು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಬೆಳತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Sorry. So now see. Step 3. Step 3, what will happen? Step 3, put. Otherwise, step 3, I will write from here only. So it is very big step. That's why until you copy this much. So you can see here easily. We can put next step is what? What do I have to put? You know that. Step 3 is N is equal to K plus 1. So I'll put in the statement until you copy this. After erasing this, I will write because board is very small, dear students. Please try to understand. I'm sorry for that. Please copy. Let us continue the proof, dear students. So now step 3. Step 3, I will write here. Purposely I have not erased this side because I will use this one. Again you will ask me, sir, how you are writing the things. So you have copied, I know that, but still you should know, no? Even I should know. So now n is equal to what? K plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. We have to put P of n value is how much? K plus 1. We have to put in our main theorem. So otherwise you can put k, you replace by k plus 1. Just k na tagadu k plus 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು nc0 a raised to n minus 0 nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So you replace n is equal to k plus 1 in this. K plus 1 c0 a raised to k plus 1 plus k plus 1 c1 a raised to, now see here k plus 1 na c1, n value is k plus 1. Now see, this is, you see, a raised to n minus 1, n value is how much? K plus 1 minus 1 is there. A raised to k plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 na minus 1 get cancelled, you will remain with a raised to k. Clear everyone? So next, similarly you can write, I will write here only k plus 1 c2 a raised to n minus 2 is there, dear students. N is how much? K plus 1 minus 2. Now see, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, dear students. A raised to k minus 1 we will get, and into b square. So on up to where? N value is k plus 1, k plus 1 ck plus 1 b raised to k plus 1. I have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Oh my god, LHS I have not written only. Sorry. So I will write here. LHS was there? No. Yes, no. Here it was there. A plus b raised to n. So I will write that. There also I have to put a plus b raised to n. N is how much? K plus 1. And this will become p of k plus 1. Correct? This is the statement of step 3, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. Fine. So everyone can see, no, this is b raised to k plus 1, dear students. Don't get confused. So now I will erase this side. This is not required for us. Now, as I said, I have to prove what, dear students? LHS is equal to RHS. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? LHS is equal to RHS ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ इधर ही आप गलती करके छोड़ता है. इस थ्योरम को प्रूफ किए ना, ये स्टेप 3. Step 2 everyone will write. I know that. Step 1 and step 2. Step 3 is very, very important, dear students. Now see here how I can do. So now consider your LHS. LHS is what? A plus b raised to k plus 1. I can write like this, no? A plus b raised to 1, a plus b raised to k. I can write this 1 plus k or k plus 1 दोनों एक ही हैं. सर ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a raised to m, a raised to n ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? a raised to m plus n. m is 1, I will take up. n is k, I have written. a raised to, this is m plus n. You think m is here, n is 1. 1 if you write or you may not write. Doesn't matter. a plus b raised to 1 ಬರೆದ್ರು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ನಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. So now see. Now how to prove this one? Now see. Can you see this? A plus b, I will write as it is, dear students. Now a plus b raised to k is what? a plus b raised to k. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. So one thing, if you are understanding something from this video, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾನಲ್. So each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear student. This is totally free of cost. Please like my channel, dear students. So please help me and support me. So now see, a plus b raised to k value. A plus b raised to k value is how much? This is there, no? I will write this value. A plus b raised to k value is how much? See, kc0 a raised to k, kc 1 a raised to k minus 1 into b kc2 a raised to k minus 2 b square, so on up to where? I will erase this side also. The above one, I hope you have copied this. So on up to where? K C K b raised to k. Clear everyone? I hope everyone are understood this. Pakka? Huh? So now see, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, क्या करना है? So try to understand. I will multiply a for every term. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ a ಇದ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So a into, now see, kc0 I will write as it is. A into what? A raised to k. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there. How will you write? A raised to m, a raised to n. A raised to m plus n you will write or not? K plus 1 or 1 plus k? Both are same. So that is a raised to k plus 1. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, a I am multiplying in this. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, a से इसको multiply किए, kc0 a into a raised to k. So here nothing is there means 1 is there, like this it is there. Nothing is there means 1 will be there. So a raised to k plus 1 you can write. Next term, kc1 a you multiply for this, a into, see, a into k minus 1, nothing is there means 1 will be there. So what will do, 1 plus k minus 1, this will get cancelled, a raised to k will get, into b is there. kc2 a you multiply for this also, a into, see, a into a raised to k minus 2, nothing is there means 1. So I will write, see, each and everything I am showing you. So a raised to k, 1 minus 2 minus 1, a raised to k minus 1 b square, correct? So on up to c k c k a into b raised to k. Got it? One term we got everyone. I had multiplied a to all these terms. a ದಿಂತ ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗೇನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ a मल्टीप्लाई ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई नाउ b. b से करना है हमें, b से मल्टीप्लाई करो, b दिन मल्टीप्लाई ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. kc0 a raised to k into b, हाँ kc1 a raised to k minus 1 b into b square, kc2 a raised to k minus 2 b into b square b cube, so on up to where kck a into I'm sorry b से मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना, सो b से मल्टीप्लाई करो इसको, b into b raised to k. Yes sir, nothing is there means 1, b raised to k plus 1 I can write, so b raised to k plus 1. So I hope everyone is clear about this. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? सो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, सबको समझ में आया क्या नहीं? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, a से इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई किया, b से इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई किए, सब मिलकर इतना बड़ा इक्वेशन हुआ है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾ ಸಿ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so now see kc0 a raised to k plus 1, anywhere it is there a raised to k plus 1? No, nowhere it is there. This is b raised to k plus 1. No, a raised to k plus 1 I am asking. kc0 a raised to k plus 1 I will write as it is. Next, a raised to k into b, anywhere it is there a raised to k into b. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? a raised to k into b, a raised to k into b. So then I can write it as what? Common it is Common means what will remain with? KC1 plus KC0. Common is what? A raised to K into B. ಇವು ಎರಡರ ಒಳಗೂ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಅಳಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So now see, a raised to k minus 1 into b square. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. करेक्टा? तो इनका कॉमन ಏನಿದೆ? So इन दोनों को कॉमन क्या है? यही है ना. So what is remaining inside? kc2 plus kc1 common is what? a raised to k minus 1 into b square. करेक्टा? Similarly ಇವಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. इन सब को कॉमन है, इन दोनों को भी. सर यू आर लिविंग दिस एंड दिस, मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर आज दिस. इसका भी जोड़ी है, लेकिन हम जोड़ी इधर नहीं दिखा रहे, समझे? चमका के नहीं. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದ್ದು ಜೋಡಿ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಡಾಟ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಜೋಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಜೋಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ, लास्ट एंडिंग बरीತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. सो लास्ट का लिखता हूं, अभी जो भी बचा है लास्ट का ये है k c k b raised to k plus 1. चमका सबको? So now see, this is very interesting. Now the biggest problem comes. Highest problem we will face now only. ನಾನು ಅತಿ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. I will take more time, I know that. But you should have to clear about this doubts regarding how I am writing. So now see, kc0, okay, below I will write using C. This in exam also you have to show using what? kc0, k plus 1 c0 is equal to 1 only, dear students. kc0 value 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, k plus 1 c0 value 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. अर्थ आयता? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, सो दोनों का वैल्यू है ना 1 ही है. ಇವು ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ kc0 ಬದಲಿ ನಾನು k plus 1 c0 ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? k plus 1 c0 is also 1. So I can write kc0 as k plus 1 c0. ಬಹಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ k plus 1 ಹೇಗಾಯಿತು? So how it is coming? कैसा आ रहा है k को निकालकर k plus 1? This was the question. I will again and again listening from the students. So now try to understand. kc0 ನು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, k plus 1 c0 ನು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So इन दोनों का वैल्यू है ना 1 ही है बच्चों, इसलिए kc0 I will replace by k plus 1 c0, dear students. Clear? So now what is remaining? A raised to k plus 1. Clear up? So now see, next you come for this. We have a formula. Now see, one more formula I am writing. This is one formula. Another you see. Still we can write here. One more will come in this. So we'll add it. I will write here below. So NC, I mean, okay, NCR plus NCR minus 1, n plus 1 CR it will come. Got it? What I am saying? So if you want number also I can take and I will prove this one. Same answer only we will get. Are you getting my point? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. This is the formula, dear students. If you want you can put the number. N is equal to 3 you put, R is equal to 2 you put. So I will get the answer same only both. 100% will get the both answers same. If you want I can prove also this one. So one example also I will show. let it be, let the time go, because I have to clear you. N value I am putting here. N value I am taking it as what? 3. R value I am taking it as 1. N is 3. Just I am giving small example. If you want, you can take bigger numbers and see. Now that will come 100%. N value is 3, R value is 2. R value is 2. Correct? Plus how much it is? N value is 3. R value is how much? 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Correct? This answer you see. 3C2 will give 3. 3C1 will give 3, dear students. This answer will come 6. 3C2 will give same only, I think. That is 3 only, 100%. 3 you will get, and this is the answer. You have got 6. Similar, if you want the NCR formula, you put up and see, you will get the 3 plus 3 only, dear students. This is the value you will get 3. 3C1 is 3 only. NCR formula you apply. So now see, next is what? N plus 1 CR. 3 plus 1 is 4. R is how much? 2. So I will show you NCR now using 4 factorial N, 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial. So now see, 4 factorial is how much? 24. 4 factorial, 2 factorial is 2, 2 factorial is 2. So how much you get? 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4 6s are. Same answer you are getting or not, you see? Yes sir? Are you getting? Both are giving same answer or not? 6 is equal to 6. This is only I am saying, not required to prove everything. Simply video will increase this, that much only. But video increase होने दो, आपको समझ में आया ना, बस है. This is not required to show in exam, dear students. Example. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now ನಿಮ್ಮ understanding purpose ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I hope you understood what I have said. So this is same as now you compare. KC1, N value is K. KC1, R value is 1. K, N value is K only here also. R value is how much? 1. 1 minus 1, 0 is there. Yes sir, this is same as this. ಇದು ಇದೇ ತರಾನೇ ಇದೆ. R ನ ಬೆಲೆ 1 ಇದೆ. 1 minus 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. N बदली K ಇದೆ. N बदली ನಾವು K ना ಹಾಕೋಣ. N का जगह में हम भी K ही पुट करेंगे. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. N ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ K ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ ನಾವು. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So N value K I will put. So K plus 1 C R value I will put. R value is how much? R value compare this and this. R value is 1. A raised to K into B plus next KC to KC1 same ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. N value is K, R value is 2. 2 minus 1 1. Same up. So N value is K plus 1. K plus 1 C 2. R value is 2. R value is 2 here. 2 I am putting. This is R. This is R minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 है. Are you getting up? A raised to K minus 1 B square. So on up to. How much? Now you try to understand. KCK. See, KCK ka value is also 1 only, dear students. KCK. If you want, you can see. KCK I will throw and I will show. K factorial divided by K factorial. K minus K 0 factorial. This get cancelled. 0 factorial is nothing but 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Same answer only will get. KCK is also 1 only. Yes. And K plus 1 CK plus 1. Again this value is also 1 only, dear students. So KCK I can write it as what? K plus 1 CK plus 1. K plus 1 CK plus 1 into B raised to K plus 1. B raised to K plus 1. So I hope how I have written this equation, each and everything I have shown, dear students. Clear? Everyone understood how I have written this? You see your RHS hence proved. RHS. See, K plus 1 C0. LHS is this. LHS you have taken this. RHS you see. K plus 1 C0. K k plus 1 c0 a raised to k plus 1, k plus 1 c1 a raised to k. Oh, into b is missed, I think. I am not written. I am sorry. Please copy this. B has missed, dear students, in the last. So here b square, here b will come. I missed it. So b is there. 100% b is there. Don't worry. B aata hi ho. Pakka. B raised to 1 is b only, no? Here b square you are writing 2 means. So a raised to where it was k plus 1 c1 a raised to k into b, k plus 1 c2 a raised to k minus 1 b square, so on up to k plus 1 ck plus 1 b raised to k plus 1. RHS is same or not? So then I can write this is equal to RHS. Therefore P of n is true for what? N is equal to k plus 1. Hence P of n is true for all natural numbers. All natural numbers. This is using this one. I had used this. So this you have to write in exam, dear students, using here to here. Don't forget to write. So this is for this one. Clear? So step 3 I will erase. This was our answer. This is you have to not write. That is for step 3. So I will erase this one. So I hope you have understood this video. So if you are understanding something from this video, स्वल्पनाद्रू अर्थ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ थोड़ा तो समझ में आया तो please like my channel. That is my fees, dear students. Fine. So I hope you will help and support me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Have a good day. Thank you. So copy this.